place filled with so many wonders, casting its spell that I am no wonder. Squirrels in the trees and the cute little bunnies, birds flying free and bees with their honey, Oh, what magical place, and I owe it all to the Pegasus race.
So, if there was an ecosystem that was predatorless, many would think it would be the greatest place ever. That's correct, but it's an expiry date. Grace period. She. The idea of a predator free ecosystem might sound like a utopia at first glance, but in reality, it can lead to significant imbalances. Without predators, prey populations can grow unchecked, leading to overgrazing or depletion of resources. This can cause a domino effect, ultimately harming an entire ecosystem. Compare that to an orchestra where a symphony requires every instrument to play its part. Ecosystems rely on predators to maintain balance. Without them, that harmony can be lost, leading to chaos. It's a fascinating reminder of how interconnected and delicate our natural world was. Without lions, tigers, eagles, and the like on the Red Island, we're gonna name it that. It's not actually red. Then on Island Blue, which had Preds, there were more populations in like the first 10 years. It's a grace period, you know what I'm saying? But think 35 years later, Island Red lost its plant. The population decreased by 3%, a huge number. Island Blue increased by 0.7%. That's a striking illustration. Here's the theme of the story. Predators may seem harsh, but their role is crucial for the long-term health of their habitats. Also, did I ever say to you that prey can get its sick, weak, shitty animals and predators clean that shit up? Health. That's worrying if it's without predators. But preyless? Today we are asking the question for this segment, which outcomes worse? A world without predators or prey? Well, in a world without predators, there will be the overpopulation of prey. Without the predators to keep their numbers in check, they would grow rapidly. The increased prey population would consume resources unsustainably, leading to a habitat degradation and food scarcity. Over time, the environment would become unable to support the inflated prey populations, leading to ecosystem collapse and ultimately regional extinction. An extinction at one of the smallest degrees, yet still bad. Predators would lose their primary food source without prey, leading to starvation and decline in predator populations. Imbalanced ecosystems means the absence of prey would disrupt the food chain, affecting not just predators but other species that rely on the same resources. Predators play a crucial role in maintaining biodiversity by preventing any one species from dominating. Without prey, this balance is sadly lost. At least we could survive with no preds. Without prey, Earth will be uninhabitable. Yes, you heard me correctly. Without the harmony of certain snakes, birds, gazelles, and rabbits, groundhogs, and the like, predators have two options. accept facts and starve out and die and go extinct, or be a fucking tryhard and get food for humans that humans had. Get food that humans had, so food motivated, or even target humans themselves. It's a chilling thought. Also, four different types of symbiotic relationships, and I know you don't know the fourth. You know about mutualism, where both species benefit from the relationship. Bees and flowers, for example. Commensalism is when one species benefits while the other is neither helped or harmed. Like barnacles hitching a ride on a whale. They get transportation. The whale doesn't really give a fuck. Here is parasitism. One species benefits at the expense of the other. Think of ticks feeding on a dog. Shit. They get nourishment, while the dog gets an itchy, unharmful guest. Amensalism. One species is harmed while the other is unaffected, like a tree shading out a smaller plant which will struggle to get enough sunlight. Mutualism is a true alliance. Just think about the clownfish and the sea anemone. The clownfish gets a safe home among the enemy's the anemone's tentacles, which are poisonous to most predators. In return, the clownfish helps keep the anemone clean by eating parasites and detritus. It's having a helpful roommate who not only shares the rent, but also keeps the places tidy. You need a friend like that. Commensalism. Nothing happens to animal X while animal Y benefits. In commensalism, one species gets the perks without affecting the other. A classic example is the relationship between cattle and cattle egrets, and they have no regrets anymore. The cattle go about their shit, stirring up insects from the grass. The egrets follow them around, feasting on those insects. The cattle don't even notice the egrets, and they enjoy a buffet. So they just do their shit, and this bird is feasting on the bad to think. Parasitism. Think about the fucking mosquitoes and humans. We get the itchy shit, and the venom makes these spots that grow and lasts about 3 days. Mosquitoes benefit, at least the female, because we are needed so they can fuck. Calm down, Jared. Calm down, motherfucker. What's the one where one where nothing happens to one and the other is harmed? Well, that would be amensalism. In this type of relationship, one species is harmed while the other remains unaffected. And I told you this example. Is there one where both species are harmed? Competition. Both species can be negatively impacted. In this relationship, organisms vie for the same resources, such as food, habitat, or mates. This competition can be intense, leading to stress, reduced reproduction, or even death for both parties involved. If two predator species hunt the same prey in an ecosystem, the prey population might fuck off, making it harder for both predators to find enough food. This can lead to starvation or forced migration for both species involved. It's a tough shit out there. If one benefits while the other is spiked, it's parasitic. If one benefits while the other becomes a Sunday prayer, it is it is a predation encounter. Yes. In this relationship, one organism benefits by eating the other organism. Did I just say an organism? The predator gets the nourishment it needs, while the prey unfortunately becomes the predator's next meal. The lion's hunting zebras, the eagle's catching fish. So if I described horse and rider, it'd be all the types. First, most often we'll think of mutualism. The rider gets a transportation and a partner. The horse gets fed and taken care of. But it can be commensalism, where the horse doesn't have shit and is unaffected by it. Rare though. Parasitic, usually not. But the horse is being fucked up. Meanwhile, we are here just enjoying our shit. And commensalism, the horse caused problems, we cause problems. And some would take equestrian for granted. Now, that's all there's gonna be for this video. And until next time, this has been Wildlife Wednesday.